How to enable or disable AirDrop to use cellular data when out of range on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on General. After that, tap on AirDrop. Then tap on Use Cellular Data. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And here said, continue to send and receive content when Wi-Fi is not available during AirDrop. And that's it. After you can swipe up or tap on the back key to go back to the settings menu or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.